Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.3 question number 4. Numbers 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips. One number on one slip kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. What is the probability of getting a number 6, getting a number less than 6, getting a number greater than 6, getting a one-digit number? Here we have got the solution. There are 10 slips in the box. However, 6 is written only on one slip. Therefore, probability of getting a number 6 is equal to 1 by 10. Getting a number less than 6. Getting a number less than 6 are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, probability of getting a number less than 6 is equal to 5 by 10. That is 1 by 2. Number 3. Getting a number greater than 6. A number greater than 6 are 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 4. Therefore, probability of getting a number greater than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 10. That is 2 by 5. Number 4 is getting a one-digit number. One-digit numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That is 9 numbers. Therefore, probability of getting a one-digit number is equal to 9 by 10. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.